Imagine knowing exactly what you want to say, but being trapped behind silence. For millions of people with autism spectrum disorder, every word is a mountain. But what if technology could bridge that silence? Today we'll explore a free AI-powered communication tool called Cboard AAC, a tool that gives voice to those who've never had one. By the end of this video, you'll see how one tablet helped Maya, and how Cboard is quietly changing families, classrooms, and lives. Maya was diagnosed with autism at 3. She understands everything, but her words stay locked in the everyday moments. Ordering food, asking for help, become battles. Then her therapist introduced Cboard, an AAC, augmentative and alternative communication tool. Her mom added icons for water, toys, family, even her dog Buddy. When Maya tapped the cup icon, a voice said, "I want water." It was the first time she had ever spoken through technology. That one sentence changed everything. Let's see how this simple, free tool works and why it matters. Go to www.cboard.io or download the app for Android or iOS. It's free, runs offline, and works in any browser. Step 1. Create a profile. Each user can have a personalized board. Let's build Maya's. Food, emotions, and favorite activities. Every icon becomes a word she can speak. One tap and the device says it aloud.
Food. Water. To open.
Step 2. Choose language and voice. Cboard supports 30+ languages. Maya speaks English at home and German in school, so we'll add both. You can adjust tone, speed, and pitch for comfort. Step 3. Personalize. Upload real photos, family, pets, or favorite foods. When Maya taps Buddy's picture, Cboard says, "I want to play with Buddy."
I want to play with Buddy. I want to play with Buddy.
Suddenly, communication feels personal and joyful. That's not just AI, it's empathy in action. At home, at breakfast, Maya taps pancakes. Cboard speaks, "I want pancakes." Her mom laughs. No more guessing. In class, teachers use a shared Cboard on the smartboard. Students tap icons to answer or ask for help. For the first time, every child participates. One teacher said, "My quietest student became my loudest communicator." At a cafe, Maya orders for herself. "One juice, please." The cashier smiles. She beams back. That's confidence, born from code. A voice isn't only sound, it's identity. When people can say what they feel, they connect. Cboard empowers that connection. Free, private, and open source. It proves that AI can amplify humanity, not replace it. 6 months later, Maya uses over 150 words. She greets her dad, tells jokes, even sings with her mom using Cboard's music board. That child who once sat in silence now leads conversations. Her mom said, "Cboard didn't just give Maya a voice, it gave her confidence." Every tap is courage. Every sentence, a step toward belonging. This is AI at its best, transparent, human, hopeful. When technology helps someone say, "I love you" for the first time, it stops being artificial. It becomes deeply human. If you know a parent, teacher, or therapist who could benefit, share this video. Each share could help another person be heard for the first time. Try Cboard today. Technology is most powerful when it gives back the one thing we all deserve: a voice. This is Everyday AI, where technology speaks and humanity listens. Autism.